I'm Agent Davis. Welcome to The Lab. If you're thinking about getting an air fryer but want to know more about how they work or just want to see one in action, this is the video for you. Air fryers rapidly circulate hot air to create a crisp crust without any oil. Guilt-free French fries at last. Today I'll be using the Chefman air fryer, but most air fryers work the same way. Here's what's included with the Chefman. Your air fryer may be a little different. A drip tray, removable racks, which are nice for pizza, a rotating basket, perfect for fries, a rotisserie spit, great for roasting, and a removal tool so you don't burn yourself. Let's get started. First, you want to make sure the drip tray's in place. Next, put whatever you're cooking in the air fryer and close the door. Usually one side connects with the rotisserie. Select the preset option you want. If you're using the basket, you'll also need to hit rotate. And if you want to manually adjust the settings, that's easy to do. Then hit start. But you can't survive on fries alone. Believe me, I've tried. Let's try the rotisserie spit. Just put one end here and the other here. This time we'll select rotisserie. Then set your time and temp. Most air fryers will show the temperature and time remaining. When time's up, take your food out with the removal tool. But watch out, it'll be hot. Cleanup is pretty easy too. Once it's cool, just wipe down with a damp cloth or paper towel and wash all removable parts with warm, soapy water. And that's it. If you have a question, leave it below in the comment section and we'll get back to you. Or if you thought this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos and helpful tips. That's good.